If you have a Travel 1003 or 503 and the fin or skeg on the bottom of your motor has broken away, I'm going to show you how to replace that. It's very simple to do with basic tool. Also, we're going to talk a little about the motor lock and its purpose. So this right here will lock the motor in place so it cannot move. So when you go in reverse, the motor will not come up out of the water. However, the skeg or fin itself will allow the motor to go up over the object in the event that it comes across one. So after you are done using reverse, you want to disengage the motor so it can pivot up out of the way in the event that it does come across an object. Now, what we're going to do is remove the skeg here. I'm using a 3mm Allen. We're going to reverse the two bolts here. Bolt 1 and bolt 2. Now if your fin or skeg was broken, it would just be a little plate that was left behind. At this time you would just discard that and open your new skeg replacement and then install it. Like so. You can use some blue Loctite, just a tiny drop on the screws to re-secure it, and just tighten until snug. You don't need excessive force to re-secure those. Go ahead and we'll put the motor back down. Again, motor lock. Now the motor is locked in position and will not pivot up out of the water when you're going in reverse.